it on?
It's on. Hello everyone. We have an exciting box here from Refashionista Sheri, straight from Canada, and we're super excited to open it up in front of you and share our first thoughts about this amazing Refashionista gift. So let's do it. Are you excited, Katrin?
Yes, I have no clue what's inside.
Okay.
But
so,
knowing Sheri is probably something super nice and colorful and bright and positive like her.
look at this, okay? A note. I love a note. Hey, Stefan and Katrin, I hope you're doing fabulously. Find below the breakdown of the contents of your groovy Refashionista package. Let me show you the amazing Refashionista logo here. Let's dig in and see what's inside.
I love this package.
Is that for you or is it for me?
I don't know, it says beauty is being human.
Okay, probably you. Let's go for it.
Okay.
That's a really nice packaging. And it's all recyclable, which is great. On point with being environmentally friendly.
Look at that super cool thing.
Nice.
I love it.
It's a bag? Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe it's for you, Stefan, I don't know.
That's so cute. See, and you have something here as well. Look how cute that is. That's amazing.
And inside we have a nice pair of socks.
Canadian socks. You can see the maple leaf over here. Nice.
Oh, nice. I miss seeing that, but that's my favorite bit. Because we love Canada.
What else do you have?
Let's see.
Let me give a little bit of a close zoom to this one. Look at that. Well, you guys know Sheri. One thing you definitely need to know about her is that she is one, if not the most amazing and most creative person that I know. She just can come up with anything from nothing pretty much. So
she just sees it there.
Oh,
ooh,
nice.
That's super nice. Well, I don't think I'm putting that on for the camera, but I'm loving it. Thank you, Sheri.
That's beautiful. I love it. Do you want to open this up as well? It's a nice dress. I love it. Okay, we'll put it here on the side to bring some color. Or even that is packaged in such a small little packaging. How cute.
Oh, those are earrings. Look at that.
So it's like a teapot.
Yes, and
book?
I believe that's a diary more. Sheri knows I love writing and I love tea, so these are definitely spot on.
Okay, my turn. So let's see what we have here. So I believe that's an S for me, Stefan. So, and I really like the rainbow tape. So just look at that. That's great. And I love also the factor of recycling. This is obviously like a prescription bag. And then Sheri knows how to make everything repurpose it, yeah, which is great. So I have a black seaweed peel-off mask.
Oh,
so,
I do have that one too. So
okay.
Have like a
we're gonna have a spa weekend here. Nice. A pair of Canadian socks. And if you can be in Canada, the least you can do is
Canada comes to you.
Wear some beautiful Canadian socks. Oh, that's heavy. That's me again. So let's see what's inside.
That's definitely one of my favorite colors. It's so cool.
Nice.
Can you put it on?
Of course I can put it on. You can, yeah, go on with your socks. That's actually a really good fit. And one thing about Sheri is that she doesn't know my size. She just has seen me on like videos and stuff. But look at this, perfect fit. Nice, and look at this car. Okay, are you guys ready for more? Let's see what else do we have here. Oh, these looks like burritos, by the way. Look at that. It's like a Sheri burrito. So that is probably you. Here you go.
Wait a minute. We have a display for that.
so many things. That's just crazy.
How did you fit all of this in that box? That's beyond me.
Drum roll, please.
Speaking of Sheri and just knowing sizes, that's like a
Yeah, you need to come back here.
perfect fit.
Sit down. It's actually matches quite nice. You can see you have the green parts. I have a little bit, like quite a lot of green. Don't have much pink, but maybe I would. Yeah, if I put this on me with a little bit of pinkish here, I think we're gonna have like a complete set. So
That's so nice.
okay, well, the last burrito for, I would assume, yeah, that's for me. Let's open it up, see what's inside. Okay, I already love it because I can see a lot of flowers. Oh, look at, too bad it's October now, but this is definitely going into my summer wardrobe because look at this.
Woo! You would have looked so good with that inside.
Okay, I need to put this on, so I'll let Catherine talk for a little bit. Or maybe, you know what? Better yet, I will do a cool transition, so I'll be like, yep, look at this. What do you think?
I love it.
Do you find me more attractive now?
We're like meant for different destinations.
Yeah, well, we're apparently going to Canada.
I prefer
And I'm going to, I don't know, the Caribbean maybe, or somewhere where it's nice and warm. But honestly, I absolutely love this. Look at this, we're ready now with just this tiny little box, ready for the summer. We're ready obviously for the winter.
and to work from home.
And to work from home and for a spa weekend. So, thank you so much, Sheri. This is absolutely amazing. If you guys wanna have one of those Refashionista boxes made specifically for you as well, just check out the link in the description below. Make sure you show your love to Sheri. Check out her channel as well. Link again in the description. And yeah, from the two of us, thank you so much for watching. And Sheri, thank you so much again.
Thank you, Sheri. We love you.
Bye.